it is time to hit social media for cash tags. For that, we'd like to welcome in Landon Swan, the co-founder of LikeFolio.com, and we have Jenny Horn, fast market contributor, with us as well to talk some Walmart.
Walmart, so they have earnings pre-market tomorrow. This is kind of the name we've been waiting for all week, of course. The stock is up 13% over the last 3 months, and as you can see, if you look at a daily chart, I mean, they're right around all-time highs right now. This stock has done extremely well, and they've done well competing with, of course, the big name that is Amazon. It's kind of all things delivery with these two right now. Amazon had kind of a rough quarter because they spend so much money trying to get to quicker and cheaper delivery, and Walmart seems kind of like the winner in this space. So, Landon, I'm really curious to see what your data has to show on Walmart.
Yeah, I think you're right. I think that Walmart has finally figured out delivery. Amazon led this space, 10 years ago, and they've done it. They've dominated for quite a while, and Walmart sort of took its time in delivering and figuring out how to deliver. But of course, they've got about 12,000 locations around the world, and so if you think of those as delivery hubs, then you've got a huge advantage on a company like Amazon. It just is a matter of getting the technology in place. And so what we see when we look at our purchase intent, which is when people are talking about spending money at Walmart, going to Walmart, or getting a delivery or using their curbside pickup, we see a big surge recently in people talking about going to Walmart and spending money there. And it's actually right around all-time highs now, as the stock is. And what we're attributing that to is a big boost in their e-commerce and curbside pickup and grocery delivery. So they're getting to the point now where they've got such market penetration, they've got so many locations, everybody's got a Walmart near them, that it's just a matter of time before people start using them. I think they've got 2,700 pickup locations and 1,100 grocery delivery locations, and they're just rolling out this new in-home delivery in a few cities where people actually come into your house and put the groceries away in your pantry and kitchen and refrigerator. So they are doing a fantastic job of giving people what they want, and the online delivery and the curbside pickup is driving this purchase intent in a big way.
Landon, I don't know if it was intentional or not, but Walmart has tapped into something in terms of the growth of their business. That is, they took the people that already liked going to Walmart and did it, and they combined them with the people that never want to step foot in a Walmart but still love the prices, and now you can shop at Walmart without going in there. I think that brings in a huge swath of customers that they didn't have before, that didn't want to go into Walmart.
That's a fantastic point. It's exactly right. And it's been a long time since I've been in a Walmart, but now all of a sudden when I'm shopping online, it's one that I look at. I used to just default to Amazon because I'm a Prime member. I get the free 2-day shipping. But, Walmart has better delivery now, and it's often better prices. So why not? I don't care which company I'm buying from. You're right. I don't want to go to the store, but if they're going to deliver it to me, why not? Here we've got a chart, like I was talking about, the online shopping and curbside pickup. This is a 1-year moving average. It has just really taken off since 2015. It's at all-time highs. People love using this. They love, like you're saying, not going into the store, either getting it delivered at home or just pulling up and letting somebody put the groceries in their car or the items in their car. So absolutely great point there, Kevin.
Yeah, and if you've ever gotten your groceries delivered, it is truly a magical experience. I mean, not having to leave your home, especially with the snow we have in Chicago right now. And Landon, this actually goes perfectly into my next tweet, which is from Claudia, who says, Walmart now does grocery delivery, and if I'm being completely honest, I love it. So I saw this tweet like 100 times today. If you search just Walmart grocery, you see people and they really, really like it. It seems like a lot more than Amazon Fresh or Amazon Grocery, so it seems like they're doing a really good job in this grocery space.
And here's what you can't argue with. I'm an old dude who goes into the grocery store, and you notice a difference. There is a noticeable difference in the prices between a regular grocery store and a place like Walmart. I mean, the money that you save cannot be ignored. It's so noticeable for a guy even like me that doesn't really pay attention to the price. It is noticeable how much cheaper it is to buy the same things.
Landon, I have a quick question to you. Building on that, we already know that they've always been the company that tries to push that pricing pressure on regional competitors or really the big players like Target. But they already have this infrastructure and footprint in so many different communities that doesn't this give them a distinct advantage over the likes of an Amazon on this quick delivery? They already have the trucks, they already have the warehouses, they already have the stores. It's a lot easier to deliver when you're already there as opposed to Amazon trying to find these new ways to build hubs, right?
Right, absolutely. I think there's two big components to delivery. That's infrastructure and technology. And, to be frank, technology is much easier than infrastructure. And so when you're talking about Amazon, they had the technology early. It took them a while to build out the infrastructure. And Walmart just kind of sat on the fact that they've got all these stores, and they worked on the technology. They finally got it right. It took them a couple of tries. But now they did the easy part, the technology part, and they've got all these stores ready to deliver. So it's a great point, and it's really bad news, I think, for Amazon. It's not just Walmart either. It's Target as well. Both of them are coming for Amazon, and they're chipping away at that massive lead that Amazon built over the last 10 years.
Yeah, and we mentioned, of course, their e-commerce growth. They've grown 43% in the last quarter, and they're expecting to grow also this quarter. So it seems like this growth isn't really stopping anytime soon.
Right.
So our next tweet says, Walmart earnings on November 14th, trading towards the top of the channel, low and implied volatility, not pricing in a major move. More than likely, we 11.33 on anything other than stellar earnings. So, Landon, I'm curious to see if you're at all hesitant to trade this stock, being at the fact that it's all at all-time highs, because I know you guys typically like to see more of a divergence.
Right. We love it when the data is going one way, our LikeFolio data is going one way, and the stock is going the other. Right now, they're both at all-time highs. Purchase intent and the stock price are at all-time highs. And so it's a tough spot for us. I think that it's justified. The price is justified here, and I wouldn't mind being a shareholder because purchase intent is so strong. So if anything, I may be a put seller on this one, or if I get the shares, I'm fine with that. But if I don't, I'm also fine with that. I do think that the price is very high on Walmart. PE ratio is about 50% higher than Target, which is a little concerning, but purchase intent is just so strong. We love it. And to Kevin's point, you're talking about getting new people to shop there. There's a stat that the average in-store order is about $50, but the average curbside pickup is $125. So they're not just getting new people, they're getting people that spend more money as well.
But make no mistake, when you look at when Walmart has failed in terms of an earnings release, it has everything to do with what Jenny just mentioned, that is the rise, the percentage increase in e-commerce sales. And the whisper number there is between 33 and 35%. They have to beat that number almost no matter what they do with earnings and revenues, they have to put up a good solid e-commerce growth, or this stock will sell off on earnings.
And building on that, though, Landon, going into the data within your data and your second chart here, you're charting the last year, at least the moving average of the last year, and it's on all-time highs too. So at least the strength of what you guys are seeing is in that area that the analysts and the investing community is going to be looking for. So like you said, cautiously bullish, as it sounds like, is the take that you guys are kind of setting on Walmart.
Yeah, I think so. I think that it's a little concerning if you look at this line chart. The pace has slowed. It is still at all-time highs, but I just wonder if analysts are expecting that line to continue up in that same direction that it was a few months ago. But you can't argue with the fact that they're doing well. It's just, are they doing well enough? And we'll find out tomorrow morning.
All righty, well said, Landon. We'll find out tomorrow morning, as you said. Thanks for joining us. Good stuff as always. And Jenny, thanks to you as well.